$138 billion for the development of humanoid robots.
My friends,
secret sauce. I think we're still real early. Automation is all over the place.
Imagine a world where AI doesn't just think, it moves, feels, and interacts with the physical world like a living, breathing being. Welcome to China's next AI revolution, physical AI. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, and it's unfolding right now in state-backed labs and robotics hubs from Beijing to Shenzhen. From humanoid robots to AI-driven exoskeletons, China is blending machine learning with motion in ways the world has never seen. In this video, we dive deep into how China is shaping the future, not just digitally, but physically. China's vision beyond software, the rise of physical AI. While the West obsesses over chatbots and coding marvels, China is turning its focus towards something more tactile, physical AI. We're talking about robots that don't just think, they move, lift, sense, and respond. From humanoids navigating disaster zones to autonomous arms assembling satellites in orbit, China's pushing beyond digital boundaries. In 2024 alone, Chinese firms secured over $4.3 billion in funding specifically earmarked for robotics infused with AI cognition. Tech giants like Baidu, Tencent, and Huawei are investing heavily in hardware integration because China understands that AI's next frontier isn't just neural networks, it's embodiment. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology recently launched a 5-year plan aiming to make China a global hub for physical AI by 2027. It's a pivot from virtual minds to real-world bodies. While ChatGPT and Gemini dominate headlines in America, China is quietly building bipedal robots that balance on one leg, scale stairs, and carry 100 pounds on unstable ground. Their vision is clear: machines that don't just process language, they live in our world. In Beijing's Zhongguancun Tech Hub, labs are testing next-gen exosuits for elder care and AI-powered loaders for construction zones. The age of embodied intelligence isn't coming. It's already on China's assembly lines. Unitree and the dogbots dominating the streets. If Boston Dynamics built the blueprint, then China's Unitree Robotics took the baton and sprinted ahead. Unitree's quadruped robots, think robot dogs, have been making viral appearances not just in science fairs, but on factory floors, in delivery services, and even in the military. The Unitree Go-2, China's flagship robot dog, costs just $1,600, far cheaper than its US rivals. It features AI navigation, LiDAR mapping, and an open SDK, making it ideal for large-scale use. In 2024, over 50,000 units were deployed across logistics centers, campuses, and emergency zones. During recent floods in southern China, these bots were seen scanning terrain and delivering supplies, showcasing their utility in disaster response and positioning China at the forefront of affordable robotic innovation. This is physical AI in action, AI algorithms fused with nimble, durable hardware performing real-world tasks. In cities like Hangzhou, police departments use these bots to patrol perimeters and track suspicious movement. Even schools now integrate dog bots into STEM education, familiarizing kids with mechanical intelligence from a young age. The real kicker? These robots are learning from their environments, building up data libraries that make every step smarter than the last. While they might resemble toys to some, China's dog bots represent a national strategy to normalize AI that moves. Its mobility meets machine learning with mass market reach. The humanoid arms race. Enter Leju, Agibot, and beyond. Forget Silicon Valley. The real humanoid revolution is unfolding in Shenzhen. Chinese startups like Leju Robotics, Agibot, and Fourier Intelligence are pumping out advanced humanoid robots that can interact with people, navigate public infrastructure, and perform tasks in real time. At the 2024 World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Leju's bot stunned audiences by executing a Tai Chi sequence with almost human flow. It wasn't just mimicking, it was interpreting balance, wind resistance, and ground texture in real time. Meanwhile, Agibot is developing AI janitor robots that clean subway platforms autonomously, read crowd patterns, and adapt schedules without any human input. Fourier Intelligence recently introduced GR1, a general-purpose bipedal robot with a height of 5 feet 7 inches, capable of lifting 110 pounds, making it ideal for hospital supply runs and disaster logistics. What's unique here is that China is rapidly bridging the gap between AI reasoning and physical dexterity. These machines don't just walk, they assess terrain, anticipate obstacles, and adjust posture based on feedback loops from embedded sensors. China's aim is to create a humanoid workforce for repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding jobs. With an aging population and shrinking youth labor force, these bots aren't novelty, they're necessity. The stakes are high, and China is building fast, rugged, and smart. Military and space, AI with muscles in orbit and combat. China's physical AI isn't just meant for factories and hospitals, it's part of a grander vision that includes orbital mechanics and battlefield autonomy. In April 2024, Chinese aerospace conglomerate CASIC unveiled robotic arms for satellite servicing, equipped with predictive AI for docking, assembly, and emergency repairs. These arms operate in microgravity and adjust grip strength in real time based on force feedback. Meanwhile, in Xinjiang, China's People's Liberation Army is testing AI-powered robotic mules and tracked logistics bots that can haul gear across deserts, identify landmines, and navigate GPS-jammed zones. The frontier of warfare is no longer just cyber, it's robotic. A leaked defense briefing in May revealed plans for autonomous tactical units, ground robots with swarm intelligence, capable of executing flanking maneuvers and offering real-time threat analysis. It's not fiction, it's funded. China's National Defense University now runs specialized labs for physical AI applications in hypersonic systems, drone interception, and minefield clearing. While the Pentagon debates the ethics of killer robots, China is executing pilot programs. Robots trained with reinforcement learning algorithms are now part of simulated combat drills, where speed, not deliberation, wins. Physical AI in China is moving beyond proof of concept. It's being hardened for orbit, for war zones, for the front lines of geopolitical power projection. Smart factories, when AI builds the builders. Inside China's next-gen smart factories, physical AI is revolutionizing manufacturing in ways the West hasn't caught up to yet. At Foxconn's AI-integrated plant in Chengdu, robot arms identify, assemble, and quality-check smartphone components in one seamless motion, powered by vision-based neural nets that detect defects faster than human inspectors. China's Ministry of Industry reported in March 2025 that over 62% of high-tech factories now incorporate physical AI elements, whether that's robotic welders that learn over time, or agile bots moving pallets autonomously across floor layouts. But it's not just about automation, it's optimization. These robots aren't repeating tasks, they're evolving them. With deep reinforcement learning, they tweak their grip, reposition their arms, and adjust torque mid-task. And when a new product line rolls in, they retrain within hours, not days. Companies like Siasun and eFort Intelligent Equipment are leading the charge, embedding sensors, edge AI chips, and predictive maintenance models into every node of the assembly line. Physical AI is turning factories into living ecosystems. Every movement is tracked, analyzed, and refined. There's less waste, more yield, and almost zero downtime. And in a country racing to become the dominant force in global exports, time is gold. With physical AI, China isn't just manufacturing products, it's manufacturing the future itself. The end game, everyday life with intelligent machines. Look around and you'll see the signs. In cities like Guangzhou and Suzhou, autonomous delivery bots roam sidewalks, using AI to dodge pedestrians, navigate alleys, and complete over 400,000 deliveries per week. Grocery stores like Hema Fresh, backed by Alibaba, use AI-driven stock robots to restock shelves and track demand via real-time facial sentiment analysis. In rural areas, drone tractors powered by physical AI till soil with precision unmatched by traditional machinery, boosting agricultural yields by 35% in trials. China's goal? Normalize robotic assistance in daily life, not just for efficiency, but for resilience. When COVID lockdowns hit again in select provinces in 2024, AI delivery bots kept elderly citizens supplied. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about reinforcing social infrastructure. Physical AI is also creeping into education. with AI tutors using interactive robots to assist in math, music, and even language learning through gesture-based engagement. Home companions for elderly citizens are already on trial in Shanghai, offering health checks, fall detection, and even mental wellness feedback. In short, physical AI is becoming personal. The West might lead in software elegance, but China's betting on tangible presence, machines you can see, touch, and trust. If AI is the brain, then physical AI is the body, and in China, that body is already walking among us. Physical AI is more than a breakthrough, it's a bold statement. China is no longer content with algorithms trapped in screens. It's building intelligent machines that can sense, adapt, and move through our world like never before. As the global race for AI dominance heats up, China's leap into the physical realm could redefine everything, from industry to warfare, healthcare to daily life. If you thought AI was already changing the world, just wait until it starts walking beside you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, the future is in motion.